I recently picked up a Canon T90 that was advertised as having a fault, and that fault is the lens mount loose. This is a common fault with the T90. Fortunately, it's relatively easy to fix. You need JIS screwdrivers. Don't use normal Phillips head screwdrivers. They will damage all of the screws. Great, let's go there. What I do is I make a sheet of paper with some masking tape here, and as I take the screws out, I stick them on the masking tape and I note where they've come from. There we go. So let's make this happen. Okay, I'm going to remove these two screws here. Now, where's my pencil? Pencil here. I have two screws here. 1 and 2. Remove these. Put that there. That's 1. And 2. Some of the screws look the same but are slightly different, so the best thing to do when you're working with cameras like this is to put the screws back exactly where they came from. That comes apart here. We now have to remove that bump panel. It's clipped into under this panel here. Now, under this panel are the latches that hold the door closed. There's quite a few springs in here and quite a few small pieces, including these little plastic buttons here, that are dying to escape. So the best way of doing this is to loosen only loosen these screws enough. Don't remove that panel completely to get the there's another one here I have to remove, which is 3. Okay, there we go. That panel comes off. Okay. Now, here are the screws for tightening up the lens mount. That's all there is to it. Okay. How hard? Oh, you didn't see that, did you? How hard was that? Some YouTube repairers recommend taking the screws out and putting on a Loctite, which can be quite permanent. A almost as good but not as possibly damaging is to just use nail polish, a dab of nail polish. This is a black acrylic nail polish that I just picked up from the supermarket. Dab, 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 and that's it.